2 tablespoons seasoned salt. 1 tablespoon ground black pepper. 4 eggs. 80 unopened dandelion blossoms, stems removed. 1/2 cup butter. 1 Combine the flour, seasoned salt and pepper in a mixing bowl until evenly combined, set aside. Beat the eggs in a mixing bowl, then stir in the dandelion blossoms until completely coated. 2 Melt the butter in a large skillet over medium heat. Remove half of the dandelions from the egg, and allow the excess egg to drip away. Toss in the flour until completely coated. Then remove from the flour, tossing between your hands to allow excess flour to fall away. Cook the dandelions in the melted butter until golden brown, stirring occasionally. About 5 minutes. Drain on a paper towel lined plate. Repeat with the remaining dandelions.